So to make one of these, you need about 2 feet of paracord and about 6 inches of gutted paracord. Now gutted paracord is when you just take the insides out, like that. So to make his head, we're going to do a diamond knot. Now, if you want to see how to do that, check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, I'm going to speed this up just to save a bit of time. Right, so I've pulled it together. I haven't pulled it tight because what we want to do is get a pen or pencil or something. I'm using a knotter's tool, and we're going to make a big hole on one side of the loop, a big hole on the other side of the loop, like that. I'm going to flip it over and make a big hole on this side as well. Flip it back, and now what we're going to do is get your gutted cord, and we're going to poke it through the right hand loop, down through the left hand loop, like that. Flip it over, and this piece here in the middle, we're going to get this right hand cord, and we're going to poke it through that hole like that. And then all we're going to do is just squidge everything together like that. Just pull on the bottom cords, pull on the top, and the knot should just come together like that. So now what we're going to do, flip everything upside down, go about 1 inch away from his head like that. Left hand cord, bend it over. The right hand cord goes over the top, behind everything, up through that loop to do a cobra weave, and then we pull everything together like that, and carry on with the cobra weave until we get to his head. There, so now we've got this going on. Now what we're going to do, grab some scissors and cut his arm. I haven't done anything yet. We're going to cut his arm. Stop it. We're going to cut his arm about 1.5 centimeters away from his body on one side, and do the same on the other, like that. They are, it wasn't that bad, was it? And now we're going to do the bandana, so about 1 centimeter from his head, again on that side, like that. And now we're just going to singe everything together, so do a slow burn on his arms, and do bandana. Lick your fingers, seal the ends, do 3 more, and cowabunga, you've got a whole set.